Alright, today on the 96 Impala, the little washer motor on the side went out. Looks like a straightforward deal. I do have the new replacement for Trico, so I'm going to remove, so I don't lose all the washer fluid, remove that bolt and this bolt, and then tilt it up and pull it out. So here it is with it flipped over, not leaking out. This is going to be the replacement. So we'll have the pliers, and then you can see this O-ring bushing that's split there. That one's no good anyway. So it should be pretty straightforward. This coming off, and then this hose coming out. Like that. And this should come out. And we'll disconnect that hose, and that's pretty much it. We're going to replace this one. Obviously it came with a new one. Try not to lose this hose and drain the thing. So yeah, you can see that one is already failing. Getting greased up. Should just push right in. It does. And then the new one's here. Same deal. Couple plug in, push in. The hose from the side. Not that hard to do, but definitely harder with one hand. Let's see. What's that? That's in place. Let me just walk this over a little and get that hose in. One wire connector. Done. Let's see. There's that. And then the one squeeze clamp. I'm not sure why. It should sit and rest in here. We'll see after we get the squeeze clamp on. Alright. Weird. Anyway. Should be able to flip this one back around. Still have all the water in there, and should be good to go. Although it doesn't want to go around here. Let's see. Again, pretty messed up to do it with one hand. Okay. So yeah, this was down under here, so I guess I'll just drop it back under there. Oh, I didn't want to do that, but now that it's done, and we lost a little bit. That's not how I wanted to do it, but we're in there like swimwear. And that's basically it. 96 Impala. And then I'm going to do the wiper blades or garbage too. And if you don't know how to do wiper blades, then don't work on your car.